2 800.4s, 2 440.4s.
Yep.
Only one of those pushing right now.
Okay.
I got 40 speakers in total. Doing a lot of building lately.
Okay. So what's your name and what's in here, man?
Amp from Bass Band Boys.
Okay.
I got a Taramps AK pushing 4 Rockville destroyers, dual tools,
Yep.
and 1 ohm.
Okay.
2 800.4s, 2 440.4s.
Yep.
Only one of those pushing right now.
Okay.
I got 40 speakers in total.
Wow.
6, 12, 26 and a half, 2 8s.
Whew.
8 of these tweeters.
Yep.
4 of these horns that I just blew.
Uh,
I got a 320, a 370, and a 390 under the hood. And I just got some regular batteries.
Okay.
Don't tell nobody.
where's your sub at?
In the bed.
So you have a blow through?
Yeah, it's a blow through, but you can't really see it because I should have took the fucking seats off since I came here, but I didn't. So
It's all good? All right. Sure, man. Love to hear it.
oh shit. Tell me what you want to hear.
Play what's loud that you know that's musical, that you feel comfortable with. So something near your peak or something that you know that plays good bandwidth that's loud.
Something at my peak. Tell her hair's not gonna blow.
Oh, she does.
Not in here.
Once again, I'm locked in. I
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.